y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind scrappywife.com, and I just received my October subscription for the Hip Kit Club. This is the main kit, and I thought I would unbox it for you. Let's go. All right, this is the main kit. Like I said, I'm so excited because it is all of the fall feels, and I love the fall so much. I love the cooler weather. I love the yummy coffee drinks. I just love all the things about fall. Let's start with the paper because that kind of sets the tone, and then we'll look at what embellishments come in the main kit. So Hip Kit Club is kind of a compilation. They kind of hand curate some pieces that go together from different collections, which I love. So we have, this is an exclusive pattern paper just for Hip Kit Club, which is awesome, called Grandma's House. Look at that kind of wallpaper feel. I love the orange and pink together. Here's another exclusive pattern paper, Cozy Scarf, Grandma's House. So pretty. I love pink mixed in with these fall colors. I think that is awesome. This is Cozy Days from Simple Stories. You have all of Cozy Sweaters, Thankful, Warm Heart, Blessed. I love all the writing right there. That is really pretty. And then the beautiful fall leaves on the other side. This is an Amy Tangerine paper, Late Afternoon. Look at that mixture of colors. It's kind of like watercolored in the background. And then a nice bold orange. And I love the branding strips right there. So that's going to be great for using as kind of like washi. Love that one. Here's Simple Stories, some more Cozy Days with the pink florals. And then a nice bold kind of mustard yellow gingham. Here we have crepe paper. This is from the Fresh Bouquet line. I'll definitely want to be careful how I cut this one out because it's symmetrical to the middle. So it's definitely going to affect the way you cut it out. And then that beautiful blue. Love it. I love all this. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Cozy Days. I love it. I might just be fussy cutting all these little pieces out. Those are so fun. And then another blue and white polka dot on the back. So cute. Here's another Amy Tangerine that's just such a different feel from Amy Tangerine with these darker colors. Oh, look at that beautiful, rich purple. That is so pretty. Here we have Cozy Days again, Simple Stories. I love the tags. I'm nuts about you. Have a cozy day. Look at how sweet that is. Oh, and then they're on the back where you can write. That is beautiful. Oh, I cannot wait to cut those out. That is beautiful. I love, 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 love that. And one more Simple Stories, Cozy Days with that floral. And then the beautiful plaid on the back. So it's mostly, it looks like Cozy Days, but you can see how well everything fits together, including the exclusive papers for Hip Kit Club. I love that array. That is going to be so beautiful. So fun. Let's check out what the embellishments are this month. All right, so we start with this Jen Hadfield line, the Avenue, and this is ephemera pieces. I'm not going to open it completely, but you have several foiled pieces, which are really nice in here. And then trees, some fall foliage, some houses. That's going to mix really nicely. I love the little dog that you have, super cute. So that's the ephemera you get this month. You also get these chipboard frames. So these I do want to open. This is from the Cozy Days line, so you know it's going to coordinate nicely. And these chipboard frames are a nice size. Look at the little raccoon. Cozy Days. These are going to make it really easy to put together a pretty impactful layout. Oh, I like this one. Ready for 2 photos. So cute. Or a photo and journaling maybe. Happy fall. and eat pie. I love those. Those are super cute. So chipboard frames. And then we have thickers. I love that they almost always include an alpha. This is a beautiful writing, kind of a scripty, handwritten feel. That's going to be really nice. And of course, black is going to go with so much, which is really great. Here is a gold foil. That is beautiful. So there's a lot of great phrases. Come as you are. Make yourself at home, enjoy your ride, stay cozy, heart and home, every moment matters. So these are going to be perfect for any time, but I think especially the fall, a lot of us are staying home, stay a while. We might be having small celebrations with our neighbors, with our small bubble of people, happy together. Love that. And these are not too thick, so this is definitely something I could also use in my Bible journaling. Love this big bold home right here. That is super cute. And then we have some chipboard stickers, and this is from the Cozy Days line. Love the little squirrels. Those are cute. Pumpkin spice and everything nice. The cozy blanket, the happy mail right here, and this banner. Those are beautiful. So those are the embellishments that come with the main kit. All right, so there you go. Just a quick unboxing of my October kit from Hip Kit Clubs. I will link them down below, and I will also link some of these supplies individually in case one or two kind of caught your eye. I'm so excited to jump in. Like I said, fall is my favorite. Love the colors, love the warm and cozy feel. I cannot wait to start using these supplies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. I hope that you have a fabulous day, and as always, keep it creative.